Yeah, bud.
So we got N55 versus N54. Bring her on back, brother.
You know, we got this battery charger right here.
Advanced battery charging system.
Got the upper charge pipe, lower charge pipe, VRSF, final blow off valve, little AFE intake. You know, I got a discount on that one. Upgraded hose over here, 5-inch intercooler from a CTF turbo. That's really it. And then MHD
nice.
Stage 1 Plus.
Stage 1 Plus. What do you think you're making? Like what?
380 to the crank, 390 torque.
Not bad, not bad.
According to the tune.
It's also got this nice matte black wrap on here that looks absolutely good with these wheels. And you know, boys, we got my car here. Only thing done really exhaust, BMS cold air intake. And I actually had an expansion line break about 2 weeks ago. Got coolant all in the filter. You can't really see, but there's a little bit of a stain at the bottom. Also have, you guys can see a VRSF charge pipe there, blew the original one. We do need to get a new thermostat housing on there. We want to get some red billets for it as well, look a lot nicer. And we just need to clean this hole over. We want to get a new expansion tank for it, make it look a lot nicer. This damn train, shut the hell up.